Interior designers are professionals who specialize in creating functional, attractive and safe indoor spaces. They work with a variety of clients, including homeowners, businesses, and other organizations, to design and transform spaces into functional, aesthetically pleasing environments that meet their clients' specific needs and preferences. The process of interior design typically begins with a consultation between the designer and the client. During this initial meeting, the designer will gather information about the client's needs, preferences, and budget. They will take measurements and assess the existing space to determine any potential limitations or opportunities for design. This information is then used to inform the development of design concepts. Once the designer has a clear understanding of the client's goals and constraints, they will develop several design concepts. This may involve sketching preliminary drawings, creating mood boards, or using computer-aided design CAD software to visualize the space. The designer will then present the design concepts to the client for feedback, taking into account their comments and preferences. After receiving feedback from the client, the designer will fine-tune the design and create detailed drawings, including floor plans, elevations, and electrical plans. These plans serve as a roadmap for the construction and installation process and help ensure that the final product is exactly what the client envisioned. One of the most important tasks of the interior designer is selecting materials and finishes. This includes choosing flooring, tiles, paint colors, furniture, lighting, and accessories. The designer will work with the client to ensure that these elements work together to create a cohesive and harmonious design that meets their needs and fits within their budget. Project management is another key component of the interior design process. The designer is responsible for coordinating and overseeing all aspects of the project, including ordering materials, scheduling installations, and overseeing the work of contractors and other professionals. They must ensure that the design is functional, safe, and meets building codes and regulations. Once the project is complete, the interior designer performs a final review with the client to ensure that all details have been addressed and the client is satisfied with the final result. This review process is an opportunity for the designer to address any final concerns or make any necessary tweaks to the design, ensuring that the client is completely happy with the final product. Interior design is a complex and multifaceted process that requires a unique combination of technical knowledge, creativity, and problem-solving skills. It involves collaboration with a variety of professionals, including architects, contractors, and engineers, to ensure that the design is functional, safe, and meets building codes and regulations. It also requires a deep understanding of the client's needs and preferences, as well as an ability to work within their budget to create the best possible outcome. Interior designers play an important role in creating spaces that meet the needs and preferences of their clients. They use their creativity and technical knowledge to transform spaces into functional and attractive environments that meet the needs and preferences of their clients. Whether working on a residential or commercial project, interior designers are essential to ensuring that spaces are functional, safe, and attractive. In conclusion, interior design is a fascinating and rewarding field that requires a unique combination of technical knowledge, creativity, and problem-solving skills. Interior designers work closely with their clients to create spaces that meet their specific needs and preferences, using their expertise to create functional, attractive and safe indoor environments. Whether working on a residential or commercial project, interior designers play an essential role in creating spaces that are both functional and beautiful.